Hello there guys, it's CoolFox, we're here, and today I'm bringing an unboxing and review of the Nubwo N15 headphones. So starting off with the unboxing, on the front you have a picture of the headphones themselves. Obviously you also get a mic on this, which we will go through later on in the video. On the sides you will find nothing written except for a few stuff that will be inside, such as obviously the connection cable, which is a 3.5mm plug. There's also a PC extension cable and also inline control, which is obviously good to see. And on the other side you will find nothing written except for a few other specifications of the headphones themselves, such as the driver size, that it has soft earpads, can be used for anything really. On the back you get some other specifications, and sadly I could not remove the Amazon Prime sticker here perfectly, so I do have a bit of residue, but nonetheless you can tell that it has a diameter of 50mm basically, which is said on the side of the box as well, a frequency range of 20Hz to 20kHz, which is very common on these headphones. The headset interface, obviously the plug again is 3.5mm. So now going straight into the unboxing, you can see that everything comes bundled inside bubble wrap, and basically removing everything from inside we'll find a manual, the extension cable inside of a plastic bag, a little qualified sticker which is common on these Chinese headphones, and obviously the headphones themselves. And this is basically a splitter. As you can see, it goes into a mic output and also a headphone output, and this is also very common with these Chinese headphones. And now taking a look at the headphones themselves, you can easily tell that these are fully made out of plastic, but the ear cups themselves are very soft. They are quite stretchy, as you can see. They do get pretty wide, but they do mostly stretch in this direction. You do get a bit of ear cup swivel as well, although it's not as much as I would have liked, since others have a lot more swivel than this, and obviously more swivel means that it can get a better fit on your head. But nonetheless you also get some extension, and obviously a headband here, which is also pretty soft. You also get the microphone, as I said before, on the side, and this can be stretched in or out as much as you would like. Obviously once you're done you can retract it upwards. Then, as mentioned on the box, you do get the inline control, and this is actually quite a good inline control, although it is fully made out of plastic again, but everything feels pretty solid. And you can see here that you can easily mess around with the volume as well as the mic mute or unmute button. And then, as said before, you do get the 3.5mm jack on the other side. Now as for sound quality, I think these have pretty good sound, but they do have a lot of mids but not as much highs and lows. So I would recommend that you tune the sound to get a bit more highs and a bit more lows, and maybe decrease the mids a bit to get something like this. And this is basically what I think sounds best on my phone. And here is a little sound test with the enhancement and without the enhancement. Okay, so now this is a mic test of the Nubwo N15 headphones, and as you can see I do have it angled upwards a bit, and this is obviously due to the fact that if you put it directly in front of your mouth you'll be able to hear a lot more pops, considering that the air is going directly into the microphone itself. So it's always a better idea to put this up a bit higher, so that if you do get any air coming out, any plosives and any air coming out of your nose, it will not hit the mic itself but actually go around the mic. And basically you can also see here that the inline control works, and if I put it back on you'll be able to hear everything again. Now this is directly connected into my OnePlus 6, as you can see right here, so it will also work with phones obviously if they do support the TRRS connection, which you will know it is a TRRS connection if it has the three little black lines, which there is up right here on the screen itself. And basically it does sound pretty good for the price, and I would say that this sounds better than other headphones at the same price point. Now while we're at it, I can also show you the design and how it looks on my face. So basically, as you can see, the ear cup itself is quite large, but everything from the headband to the ear muffs, they are all very comfortable, and you will not even notice that it is on after a while of use. Something that is a bit unfortunate is that the clamping force is really hard, so you might notice that, but not the earmuffs themselves, they are pretty comfortable. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox, and I'm out. Peace.